Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix switch to youtube.com problem on YouTube application. Now to fix this issue, you have three main methods. The first method is to simply try to restart your phone by holding on the power button, then choose reboot or restart. And after that, you can go and check if you still have the issue or not. If you still have the problem, you can now go and open the settings, then search for apps in your phone. Tap on apps right here, then tap on manage apps. And now click on the search icon, then search for YouTube application. And once you find it, click on it like this, then go and tap on storage, click on clear data, then click on clear cache and click on OK. And now you'll have to go back, click on app permissions and make sure that you give the YouTube application all the permissions only when using the account. Go back and give it the permission to the location, to the contacts, to file media, etc. And once you finish, you can now go back and check if YouTube still have the problem or not. If you still have the problem, you might face this problem because you have an old version of YouTube. So you have to go and open Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using. And once you open it, click on the search button just right here, then search for YouTube in this search bar. And once you search for it, click on it like this and click on update. Once you finish the update, you can go and check if the issue is fixed or not, and the issue will be fixed. If you cannot actually fix the problem after all these three ways, you can now click on uninstall button, then try to download it and reinstall it again. And after that, go and check if the application is working properly or not. And in most cases, it will be working with you like this. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.